Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and you're watching iPhoneTopics.com. So today in this video, let's see how to fix the yellow tint issue on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro. Recently, many iPhone users are facing this yellow tint issue on iPhone 12, especially when they are in the dark room. My friend suggested me a solution and that really worked for me. I thought of sharing that one today in this video. Let's get started. Solution number 1. Turn off the True Tone. True Tone is one of the lighting features which is present to adjust the brightness and color on your iPhone based on your surroundings. So when you turn off the True Tone setting on your iPhone, there are lots of chances that your issue may get solved. To do that, launch Settings on your iPhone, then tap on Display and Brightness, and if you see the True Tone option is turned on, then kindly turn it off. That's it. Solution number 2. Turn off the night shift option and dark mode. Guys, many of the iPhone users said that this method has worked for them, so you can also give it a try, okay? For that, go to Settings, tap on Display and Brightness, and now check whether the night shift option is turned off. If not, then go to that option. I have given a schedule from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. so turn off the scheduled option. Now after that, unselect the dark mode and select the light mode on the screen. That's it. Solution number 3. Disable the auto brightness. Because if the auto brightness option is turned on, then it will cause some OLED issues. So turn off that option, okay? For that, go to Settings, tap on Accessibility, then select the display and text size. After that, scroll down the screen and you can see the auto brightness option is turned on. Now disable that option. That's it. Solution number 4. Change the color tint. First of all, let me say what a color tint is. In this, there will be a variety of colors like red shade, blue shade, yellow shade and everything. Sometimes when you don't adjust the intensity according to your iPhone, that creates a problem. For that, open Settings, tap on Accessibility, then select Display and Text Size. Scroll down the screen and choose the color filters. Enable the color filters option. After that, in that choose color tint, then you have to adjust the hue option based on your iPhone screen and also adjust the intensity according to your iPhone and select any one of the color tint. That's it. At last, I'll give you a simple suggestion and after that we'll come to the end of the video, okay? That is nothing but turn off the reduce white point because it helps to reduce the intensity of bright colors on your iPhone. To do that, launch Settings, tap on Accessibility, then select Display and Text Size. Scroll down the screen and you can see the reduce white point. Turn off that option. That's it. Guys, I think the solutions which I have given will surely help to solve your problem. If it is, then you can mention it in the comment section below. And also don't forget to mention the method that worked for you in the comment section so that we'll pin that solution in the comments because others may also get useful by that. And if you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to iPhoneTopics.com and tap on the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we post a new video. Bye bye.